how much expense ratio do they charge? So since mutual funds have experts that are tracking the situation in the market, they typically charge certain fees. This is called the expense ratio. Within a certain category, the lower the expense ratio of a fund, the better it is for you as an investor. So the average expense ratio for a fund really varies between categories. For instance, a small cap fund requires a little bit more research and assessment of the market. You also want to be aware of the performance of a certain fund against its benchmark in the category. One way to see how a fund has performed is to track its historical records, but historical records aren't always the greatest indicator of how a fund will perform in the future. So, compare the fund's performance to the category it's tracking. If the fund has outperformed the benchmark, then it's typically a good investment. If you're looking to invest in mutual funds without the hassle or the jargon, invest on Fi.